Hey guys, so let's fix this issue together. So first of all, you need to press Windows key plus E key together to open File Explorer. Then just go to this PC, open C drive, and then open Windows folder. And here we need to find out the software distribution folder. So here it is. Open it and select all these files and simply delete them all. Yes, we need to delete all these files. So once done, we will move to the next method that will be very important to fix this issue. So we need to check this box and click on skip, and again check this one and skip. Once done, close this window, go to search bar, type here task manager, and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new tasks. For your information, this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So don't worry, just follow my screen and that's it. So click on browse button and then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now this time we need to find out system32 folder. So double click on it to open it. And here we need to find out cmd.exe file. So keep scrolling down. Here it is. Select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on open. Okay. Now here we need to execute the command. So type this command carefully. Simply type in gp update. Okay, update space /force and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the process, like around 1 to 2 minutes. And once done, we need to type exit to close this window. So type in exit. In the last method, just press Windows key plus R key together to open run and type here services.msc and hit enter. Now find out the Windows update and right click on it, select properties, go to this set the startup type as automatic, click on start and then apply and then OK. Once done, we need to restart the system. You can also check out our pin command or in the description the link. It will help you a lot to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Go for that one also. And that's it guys, like the video and do subscribe the channel.